way thanks nine armet ya kasatu ba ini kita way jom kita ba kita rekam ya nanti thanks nine yang ada don menu kita buat penwasim doan ini doktor kita ya sawan Khmih Children Hospital di doktor kita IVF kita kawan cisin
Kanun Menteri Kelasya Meghalaya ban pengenria ekjeng penterikam ya ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Plus na ka Tnad PHE sya ka Tnad C&RD. Menteri rang ba kejela ukon rat kongkal sangma ulong banamar kejeng e balamat da ka Tnad PHE ke penterikam ru ya ka Jal Jeevan Mission bat kejeng duna ha kejeng don ginong trai ban penterikam ya ka Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Plus. Komta ke Sarkar Kelasya Meghalaya ban pekerja ano ekjeng penterikam ya kanian na ka PHE sya ka Tnad Community and Rural Development C&RD. Ulo ang baka Tnad C&RD ka doni kinong tray ha kisno kita ban penterikam nga project bat kibabon na kijela ha kari kilale Khmih. Namar ka Tnad C&RD ka doni ka kor bat kinong tray ban penterikam ya kanian ha kalenti ka babiang bah. Ulo ang ru bah ka jengyalang ka barang sudap bat ka Jal Shakti Ministry Menteri Sarkar Secretary bagi officer kela ajeng mut Sarkar Meghalaya pan penkerja anu ajeng penterikam naga PHE sya ka Tnad C&RD. Kakanun Menteri kela ajeng menjur ek ordinance ban kenthop ajeng penkela ha ka Goods and Services Tax Council. Namar bekla don katto kan ajeng penkela ke Belasyem da ka Goods and Services Tax Council ke bementa ban sekenthop langno. Ukorat kongkal sangma ulo ang baik ke ordinance lawan ra ban penyak denti kirai ke Belasyem da ka Goods and Services Tax Council Haka Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Act arajar katnyo.
Also, we had a decision today. There is the implementation of the Swachh Bharat mission is, as you're aware, Swachh Bharat Mission Plus, Gramin Plus is going on. And in that, because of the challenges that are faced by the Public Health and Engineering Department, since the PHE department is also implementing the Jal Jeevan program, and because of the shortage of manpower to implement the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Plus, the decision was made today by the cabinet to transfer the implementation of the Swachh Bharat Gramin from PHE department to the C&RD department. This is being done because of 2-3 reasons. Number one, the C&RD department has the manpower at the grassroots level to implement the project, and this has been discussed with C&RD department. Number two, most of the states in the country are doing that even today for the same reason that C&RD department of respective state governments have the necessary machinery and manpower in the C&RD department to implement the Swachh Bharat Gramin program in a much faster and better manner. And number three, in a recent review meeting that was held with Jal Shakti Ministry, the Minister and the Secretary and government officials of Government of India have suggested to Government of Meghalaya to also shift the implementation from PHE to the Swachh Bharat mission. So it's to the Community and Rural Development Department.